Oh wow, what have I done? We have 2 new pairs of designer shoes, 5 new bags. Yes, 5 new bags. One of them I'm actually really nervous about because it is a repurchase, and the last time I purchased it, I was very much let down. 2 of them I think might split your opinions on how you feel about these bags in general, but I am incredibly excited actually to open them. And we've also got some fashion pieces from Millen, River Island, and All Saints. So we're going to be unboxing everything that I've been buying this Black Friday. I will also share with you how much I managed to save on some of these items. And of course, we will be trying them on so we can get a feel for what they look like and how they fit. If you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Steph. I'm addicted to designer bags and just luxury fashion and just really nice pieces in general. If you are too, make sure you join us by hitting the subscribe button and the bell down below because we get it and not everyone does. Before we dive straight in, I will of course pop links in the description box down below for you so that you can shop this video super easily. And I'm going to be sharing my favourite Black Friday buy at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay then, wow, where do we even start with this? Start tackling the boxes. I think this is an order from All Saints, one of my favorite actually fashion retailers online. I wouldn't say All Saints is designer, it is more high-end high street, and I think they have some really great pieces, especially for this autumn winter. So let's take a look at what I got.
Okay, here we go. Great big box. The first item is the Sparkle Ridley jumper. So the Ridley jumper is an absolute staple. I love kind of the batwing sleeves. This is a great one to wear all day. And when I saw this black one, which has these sparkles in, it was perfect for the festive season. I am wearing a size 6. I have 3 of the Ridley jumper now. Okay, next up is a coat. I just absolutely love the look of this. I just like that it was a bit different. This is the Paula coat. So this is a long black coat. This combines wool, but with bomber style jacket sleeves. It even has a functioning pocket on the arm here. I love the play with fabrics. Again, wearing a size 6 here. I think this will look really great with some nice boots over winter. An easy one to throw on. Now, as soon as I saw these, I absolutely had to have them. So these are both the Oana shirt from All Saints. This is a silk shirt. And I just love the silhouette, especially if you're wearing something all day. This is super lightweight and it's not clingy to the body, which I absolutely love. Look at the beautiful gathering on the sleeves and the size. It feels so romantic. I ordered these in a size 6 and have 0 regrets. I got the black and the white silk because I just feel like they're going to be in my wardrobe for a very long time. Investing in great classics is never a bad idea.
Oh, bags and boxes everywhere. Okay. Next up, let's take a look at what I got from Millen, and this features a few pieces from the Millen and Lydia Elise Millen collection that has just been launched.
Okay, here we go. First up is this Millen coat. This is in a size UK 8. I'll put the US size down below. So this is an Italian LUXE finish wool cashmere blend strong shoulder coat. I've been after a white coat for a while. Although I feel like maybe the shoulders and the lapels are a bit too strong. Let's tie it up here. I do like it. I think this would look great with boots, but I'm also concerned the fabric is quite creased, so this could be a bit of a nightmare. Now we have some sequin pieces. So these are the 2 pieces from the Lydia Elise Millen collection. These are the textured sequin wide leg trousers in like a rose gold. They really are beautiful, but too long for me. Maybe with heels, but still. Here we have the shorts as well. I definitely think I would get a lot more use out of the shorts. I like teaming it here with the All Saints blouse, some tights, and I can see this working with some heels or boots. And I love the fact they have pockets. Let's throw on a long black overcoat here, the Paula coat from All Saints. I like this look.
Now for some pieces from River Island. So River Island again is not a luxury brand if you are not familiar, it is a high street brand. Now I have a YouTube event coming up very soon. The theme is the red party. So I needed to order something red to wear with me because surprisingly, I don't have a lot of red in my wardrobe and I wanted something that was a bit more out there and festive. Let's take a look at what we've got.
First up, we have this black satin trim blazer. This is in a UK size 8, and I really like this tuxedo style. It's quite a long blazer. It fits really nicely. It's high street prices. I feel like I'll definitely wear this quite a lot. Now here for the YouTube Red Party, I have these red wide leg trousers. They were in the sale. I'm wearing a UK size 6. I quite like them, but I don't know if they're a bit too much, but I do like the waist and how it just kind of fits to your body. Now, here we have some sequin trousers to go all out. I really don't like the fit of these so much. They're not as nice as the other ones. So here we have the blazer to match the other trousers that we just tried on. Again, UK size 8 in this like red shiny fabric. What do we think to this one? And of course, the sequin blazer to go with the trousers, although I wouldn't wear both together. This, again, UK size 8. Is it a bit too much? I'm not sure if I feel a little bit like Elton John, but I do like the detail on the sleeves and how they're kind of cropped here.
Now this next one I think has the potential to cause some controversy, but I'm quite excited to see what's inside.
This is an order that I have been meaning to place for so long from Lily and Bean. There are 2 bags here. Let me show you the first one. So this is the Hettie bag, and you might have already noticed this looks a lot like the Hermes Kelly bag. Now this is a mini Hermes Kelly bag dupe. It's not fake, we don't have any logos, but I mean, you can tell here this bag is very much inspired by. It comes with a cloth strap and also a thinner leather strap here, which matches the colour of the bag. We have gold hardware, we have taupe. I have left the straps on the front open. Try it on with the Karen Millen coat. What do we think? This is absolutely gorgeous. If you like the mini Kelly, the Hettie bag from Lily and Bean, here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm going to show you in a second, but there are so many colours to choose from. I decided to go for a pop of pink because I realised I don't have a pink bag in my collection or a mock croc. This one again has gold hardware, only comes with one strap, which is the leather strap, and which is the only one that I would use anyway. Look at this, it's beautiful. The strap is even adjustable. I'm going to close this one up so you can see what this looks like slightly differently rather than open. Here with the strap on, you can crossbody it, shoulder it, use it as a top handle bag. What do we think to these dupes? I honestly am slightly delighted because they just look so cute.
How do we feel about these Hermes mini Kelly dupes then from Lily and Bean? Again, links down below for you so that you can shop and go and get your own. So the taupe coloured one, I actually paid full price, but there was an extra 20% off code that I used, so I got 20% off this one. And the pink mock croc was actually in sale, and I managed to use a code that got, again, another 20% off. So these bags are around £100, maybe like $120 in the US. And I think to try a size of bag, a style of bag, and different colours of a bag, this is a great way to do it, because at the end of the day, Hermes bags are expensive. It's actually a fantastic way of figuring out maybe what size, style, colour you would like to go for so that you don't make a really expensive mistake. And then they've also got like the caramel colour, they've got a yellow, they've got a teal. So many nice colours to choose from. Let me know what you think to dupes in the comments down below. I will be doing a video soon on how I found these bags, if I've actually reached for them and used them, and my verdict, would I actually buy an Hermes Kelly bag? Next up is a sale find from Farfetch, and this is a pair of designer boots.
The packaging is always beautiful. We have some Jimmy Choos. This is my first pair of Jimmy Choo boots. I find Jimmy Choos run true to size, so I'm a size 5, 38 in the UK. These are the Carter boots. Wow. These are in a shiny black leather with a fairly small heel. I feel like I'm going to be able to wear these for quite a long time. Look how beautiful these are.
What do we think then to the Jimmy Choo Carter boots in this like smooth black leather? I was a bit unsure, but I decided to go for these because they were £1,200 originally. That is how much they are now. They were then marked down, I think, to like £950 on the Farfetch website, and they were doing an extra 20% off sale. So I ended up paying about £760, I think it was, for these. So, you know, definitely these are expensive boots, but that is quite a big saving on recommended retail. And I do think in terms of, you know, I don't mind spending more money on like really good quality luxury pieces. That is what I think these are, and they're black boots. They are going to go with absolutely everything. And look how beautiful they are. I think the Jimmy Choo boots were a success. So let's move on now to our next purchase here, which is the second pair of designer shoes. So again, I was busy on the Farfetch website because when they do have a sale and then they do like the extra 20% off, you can make some really great savings. And I genuinely can't believe that I got these for the price that I did. So these are from, if you can see that on there, these are from Chloe. I have been debating these for a while, okay, and I have had a pair of these before, but I did send them back. So if you watch that haul, you might already know what these are, but the price was unreal. Like these retail, let me get them out. These retail at £450 in the UK. They are the Chloe Woody sandals, and these are the leather version, and this is the caramel leather colour. So you can get the matching bag, so I do plan to get the matching bag. Let me sit back down. These are a size 38, so a UK size 5. And again, because I have ordered these before, I ordered the shearling version and I did return them in like one of the last hauls that I did. The reason being was I was really concerned at how the shearling was going to wear, and over time I just don't think it would look that great. So these were in the sale and £450. I think they were marked down to something like £200, which was really weird because a lot of the other sizes were a lot more than that. And then you got the additional 20% off. So these actually cost me, I think with delivery, about £170. So again, you know, these are quite expensive shoes, but marked down from £450, like that is like a 60 to 70% saving on these. And some of you know already, I love the leather version of this bag in the caramel colour. And now I feel like if I order that as well, I've got the matching shoes to go with. These are slightly small. I already knew that, but to order the next size up was significantly more expensive. This size does fit, but if you are looking at the Chloe Woody sandals or slides, definitely maybe half a size up. What a bargain! The final two boxes then, let's take a look at what we have got here. So we've unboxed, I promised 5 new bags. We have unboxed 2 already, which were the Hermes Kelly dupes from Lily & Bean. So we have 3 bags in these boxes. One of them I'm still very nervous to open. Okay, what do we have here? So this is a bag from a brand called Rains, and this was I just literally saw it on the Browns website. I will pop a link to the Browns website down below, by the way, because I managed to get 15% off all these 3 bags. So if you are looking to get the 15% off code, send me a message on Instagram and I will send you my link. And what an amazing saving on some of these pieces. So this is Rains. I will link to this brand down below because it is a brand that I have just discovered. They also have like raincoats in this colour. Look at it, it's like this beautiful iridescent. Now I am a sucker for anything iridescent. It is a keep all, hold all bag, and I believe this was £60 and it was reduced by 50% to about £30. And actually, I would love to get your thoughts on this. Obviously this isn't padded right now, but I have been debating selling my Louis Vuitton keep all for quite some time now. Some of you already know this. This is my keep all 45. I don't really use it because I actually prefer to use like a roller case as opposed to a hold all bag like this. And I'm thinking maybe just something like quite cool and different like this for £30, less than £30, guys. Oh my gosh. And maybe to actually sell my Louis Vuitton keep all. I will be doing a bag decluttering video very soon, so if you aren't subscribed already and want to see that, make sure you do, because I'll be selling some pieces and this might be one of them. The next bag here, this was in the sale. This was £240 and it was reduced down to £140. I shared it on my Instagram and it pretty much sold out not too long after I shared it there because so many of you I know love this bag as well. This is the Teddy Micro Tote from Marc Jacobs. So I already have this in the grey, but when I saw the black one as well had been reduced down to £140 and I got my additional 15% off, I was like, it's pretty much an absolute no-brainer. It does come with the crossbody strap inside of the bag. It has it's got the tags on the side here from Brown's Boutique. And yep, I love it. There is a part of me that wonders whether I maybe should have held out for the mini size. So I would have a micro shearling and a mini shearling, but this was the only size available on the website and I just couldn't resist. And finally, the bag that I am most nervous to open with you today, because the last time I opened this live on camera with you, I was met with disappointment. If you've watched some of my videos, maybe you know which bag this is, but Brown's Boutique, this bag was sold out. I happened to go on the website because I was doing my video on like Black Friday sale finds, and this wasn't in the sale, but it was at a price that was before the last price increase. Okay, here we go. It's from Saint Laurent, and okay, nervous. Oh my gosh, this is so much better than the one that I had before. This is the small Lulu bag in the colour Vintage Blanc with aged gold hardware. I am going to put this next to the original one that I had, and the leather on the flap was so wrinkly, but this one looks so much better. And wait until I tell you how much I paid for this. Okay, so this was on the website, I think for £1,670 or £80, something like that, which is not the price increase that we've just had. This went up, I think, about £370 here in the UK in the last price increase. This is now £2,240, recommended retail price. So the price that was on the Browns website was actually the price prior to that at £1,760. And amazingly, the 15% off sign-up bonus works on Saint Laurent. So I paid, I think, £1,460 for this bag. I'm returning the other one that I got directly from Saint Laurent. I paid £1,860 for that. So I've managed to get what I think is a much better bag, like the quality of this leather, so much better, and save a few £100s. So guys, we have a happy ending with my small Lulu Vintage Blanc bag. I promised at the start of the video that I would share with you my favourite Black Friday purchase, and clearly I have been very busy. Actually coming up with a favourite purchase was so hard, so I've kind of categorised them in terms of my favourite fashion piece is the collar coat from All Saints. So this one I think has now gone back up to full price, but maybe we will see it in the sale again very soon. It's just over £300 here in the UK. Again, I'll pop a link down below for you. In terms of my shoes, the two pairs that I got, the Chloe Woody sandals and the Jimmy Choo, my favourite out of these are, I really like them both. I think the Chloe in terms of the price was absolutely amazing, but I think actually in terms of the piece that I will definitely use the most is the Jimmy Choo Carter boots, and to get them in sale and then get the additional 20% off on the Farfetch website, it was literally like one pair left, so I had to pull the trigger on those, and I'm really, really glad that I did. My favourite bag from the Black Friday haul, the most obvious one would actually be the Saint Laurent Lulu bag, because what a great price. It's a bag that I wanted anyway. But actually, the bags that I'm most excited about is the Lily & Bean Kelly dupe bags. Why? I think I've seen so many mini Hermes Kelly bags recently on Instagram, and we all know how hard they are to get. I don't have any Hermes bags yet. Hopefully I'll be able to add some to my collection soon, but the fact that I could kind of try something out, I don't mind that it's a dupe, and just these really amazing colorways. I'm definitely going to be ordering more, and I think in terms of like just pure excitement to start wearing them, I mean, what a great buy. As mentioned, I have popped links in the description box down below for you so that you can shop this video super easily, and please do let me know what you think to my Black Friday haul in the comments. Which piece is your favourite? That is a wrap for today's video, but make sure you don't go anywhere, because coming up next, I link my latest video release here for you, and over here, we are going luxury shopping in London. I am talking Prada, Louis Vuitton, Chanel. Oh my gosh, so many incredible pieces available to buy right now. You don't want to miss this, guys. Enjoy.